And welcome to our Primetime News. I'm your host, Songa Kenyimasi. It is a relief for Kisii Primary and Autism Unit in Kisii County. This is after receiving funds from Global Connections after the delay in capitation fee by the national government. Funds that will have enabled, run and boost the normal functioning of the programs in the autism school. Amboy Brian, who is a reporter, tells us more.
It has been a joy at Kisii Primary and Autism Unit School as they receive a token from the Global Connection Foundation that will enable them to facilitate normal running of the school program, for they have never received their disbursement since last year, October.
Americans to Kenyans.
Ruth Rain, the executive director of Global Connection, also encouraged them to continue being purposeful as Miss Debbie. The board of directors in charge of Autism Summer Program in the USA also promised to offer financial and physical support.
Hello, my name is Ruth Haynes, the executive director of Global Connections Foundation in the United States. The Autism Unit here at Kisii Primary is one of our stops of many schools. I'd like to acknowledge and thank you for hosting us here. I'd like to thank the principal, the teachers, the directors for supporting these children, for having a unit for them. I'm sure many years ago there was no place for these children. So we thank you for your support. It means a lot to the families. It means a lot to the children. Your attitude towards the children is lovely. We see how you deal with the children and interact with the children, and it's just beautiful. I'd like to acknowledge Duke and Veronica Magetto, English and Swahili, I don't know. They have introduced us to the Autism Unit here. We didn't know about the unit. So they've introduced us, and they're the ones that brought us here. I'd like to thank Enoch Mukaya for organizing our trip here. And we have a board of director from Global Connections Foundation here. And she's a director of an autism summer program in the United States. And she will support you. She will excite others for you and help to raise money to support the autism unit. Yeah. So we identified the most vulnerable students that were in need of uniforms, and I believe we were able to have 10 made for the children.
James Mitunda, the school head teacher, has highly appreciated the organization for putting their hand in helping the school to run their normal school program.
I am James Mitunda, the principal Kisii Primary School, which is hosting the Kisii Autism Unit, Early Childhood Development Education, Primary and Junior Secondary. Today we are very happy. We have received visitors under the Global Foundation, and we are very happy that you have come to visit us and see the school together with all the learners, teachers, and parents. The token you have given us now, it will move us a step ahead, because the learners here, they are very happy. They have been excited to see you, and they are really requesting that next time, when you get time, please come and assist.
Joyce Mosetti, one of the teachers of autistic kids in Kisii Primary Autism Unit, urged well-wishers to support the kids and emphasize on the need to bring the autistic kid to a school as they have different capabilities.
Nkoro kwa Joyce Mosetti, umwalimu in charge ya Autism Unit of Kisii Primary. Enko irali bageri gwakera bageni baito ngambia mono from the United States of America, the Global Connection Foundation, aso koinyora e unity yaito na ende gotolentera the support batolenteire. Igonko iraneria the administration of this school ngambia mono gekogera boro kire great support to the Autism Unit. Aba ibori mbia mono asenge nchomu anchire kolenta abane skuru motari ko babisaka. So my word is moibori onde bwensi obwato omwana obwato oborema tamubekaka tigabale ntwe sukuru basome. They are abled differently, so inability is not disability. They can do different things. We train them on different skills. As they go outside there, bachakoba productive members of the society. So my appeal to the government of Kenya, to the county governments and any well-wisher nelinga, kamoranche, morente support, elinde tonyale kuba togokonya abana aba, ranging from infrastructure, the boarding facility, because ntobwata abaibuli abange batalikolenta abane skuru because batalikonyara transport yabeire nkong, or alternatively nonyene van oyo oranyole alente ya transport yabana from home to school. I want to say thank you very, very much for giving us an opportunity to train your children and then they move to the next level. God bless you so much.
Mongeti alluded to the fact that autistic kids lack parental support of both parents, thus is pleading with the Kisii County leaders, starting with the community leaders, to join hand and assist the autistic kid in the Bagusi community.
Kudiuk mageto ngorwa ase chinsemo chiakeroka na joineti skuru ya Autism ya Kisii Primary I think 2 months ago na gokire koba nero ase chinga kichiri chinke na abarimu baroro twabere tukobwatira na chinga keji twabwatiranire egento ndanyare koba ngoteba nkiringa kuruna joineti ase skuru eye abana mbaro na ende babwate emechando ao banganetio obokonyi. So nare kobori our counties and our leaders to join hands together at least tokonya abana bare autistic within as a community yaito abange baito boigo asa abaibori ngo basaba mbatebinga esenge abaibori abange bari nanyorire abande bare chisingle mothers kindly obokongo bekero bogocha and abana abaiga tari gwanja kwabo, not even one parent ogwanja enyare kane ko baboigo lakini rende ne mebango ya Nyasaye. So let us all of us ekero tobwata abana abatubanchirane asa abaibori bonsi babere na ende tobarere asencherere ndonge tubanchirane na oborema bori oboke babwate tuba support egara Nyasaye abasuki gochi ase baranyore gento kire banyaranyare ko babakora so bugima bwabo.
First of all, I want to thank the Global Connection Foundation for the opportunity and time they've had to come to Kisii Primary, and more specifically to the Autism unit. These they're able differently. They're not disabled, so it's a privilege having them here. And this is just but the beginning. We'll be here frequently, and we will see on how we can do to maybe help these kids to be what they're supposed to be in life. So they're just like any other kids, and we are glad for the little donations, and we'll come here more frequently.
Donated 50,000 to enable the autistic pupil have a team that will enable them to get trained, acquire skill, and use their talent and passion to become financially independent.
And we've provided this check for 52,000 Kenyan shillings, and that is to help any infrastructure needs you have, the kitchen repair, and almost most importantly, supplies and items for the children to learn and to be able to create and to sew and to string beads, so that they can also, supply and make an income for, as they grow.